girls, so it's that time of the day when you tune into your favorite beauty channel to get your daily dose of beauty. At Be Beautiful, we believe in putting our best face forward every day. So today, I'm gonna show you how to get that perfect corporate makeup look which is subtly stylish yet professional. So let's get started. Step 1. Base. When it comes to a corporate makeup look, remember, less is more. So we start our base with a moisturizer and a CC cream which will help in evening out your skin tone. And then use a concealer for those specific problem areas. So we apply the concealer in dots all over the problem areas and blend by lightly dabbing with your finger. And remember, always go for a concealer which is one shade lighter than your foundation. And lastly, finish the base with a setting powder. Step 2. Blush. And now we're going to add just a hint of color to our cheeks. So instead of a blush, use a cheek tint to get that naturally flushed look. So now make a pout and apply the tint at the highest point of your cheeks. Step 3. Lips. Start off by defining your lips with a lip pencil. Make an X on your cupid's bow and then outline the entire lip. And now, fill it in with your choice of a natural pink lip color. Lastly, we're going to define the eyes. So start by applying the kajal on your lower and upper waterlines. And to finish off the entire look, use a volumizing mascara. So I hope you guys enjoyed this simple yet elegant corporate makeup look. For more such beauty updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Be Beautiful. Until then, signing off for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!